Aramco is the high-end brand of Anhui Zhongyi machine tool manufacturing company, which was established in 2003 and has accumulated 21 years of experience and technology to produce stable quality and cost-effective machine tools. It is composed of highly trained and qualified machine operators, assembly technicians, experienced engineers, and designers, which makes it be a famous brand of sheet metal fabricating machinery and industry standard setter with 21 years in China. Aramco mainly specializes in press brake, shearing machine, hydraulic ironworker machine, CNC ironworker machine, plate rolling machine and laser cutting machine, etc. We have obtained a lot of invention patent certificates. Utility model patent certificates. Self-export right and export quality license. CE certification. ISO 9001:2015 quality management system certification. Machines sell well at home and abroad. Exported to the United States, Russia, France, India, Dubai, South Korea, Mexico, Vietnam, Uzbekistan and other countries and regions. We are committed to produce stable quality and cost-effective machine tools and provide customized services. We are also looking for global distributors to cooperate with us. We provide the best help to develop the global market together. Get in touch with us now.